Seeing a client-side exception error on your Android phone. Websites not loading properly on Chrome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix client-side exception errors on Google Chrome for Android quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Refresh the page. First, try refreshing the page. Tap the reload icon in Chrome. Sometimes the error is temporary and fixes instantly. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Next, clear your browsing data. Long press on the Chrome app and select App Info. Tap on Storage Settings. Clear cache to wipe any corrupted data causing the error. You can also clear data to do a full reset of the Chrome app if clearing cache didn't fix the problem. Next, open Play Store and check for available updates for the Chrome app. Now open Chrome and try loading the website again. Also check internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Important tip: if the error only happens on one website, the problem may be from that site, not your phone. And that's how to fix client-side exception errors on Chrome Android. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Android fixes.